this video, I will be teaching you about DigestZen. This is doTERRA's Digestive Essential Oil Blend that is great for many different digestive issues. So if you're dealing with something digestive and need that support and you don't want to have the side effects, then stay with me because I'm going to share my top tips to using DigestZen. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Stacey Paulson. I am a health coach, an essential oil educator, and I'm the mother of 6 amazing children. We've been using essential oils for over 12 years now, and I'm obsessed with helping people to learn how to use them effectively in their homes, to take care of those things that come up, and also to be able to reduce toxins within our homes. Make sure that you hit the subscribe and the like button. We're trying to grow this channel, and if this is valuable to you about learning about essential oils, then let's stay connected. The DigestZen blend may be helpful for improving digestive function, and the oils in this blend have been studied for their ability to balance the digestive system and also to soothe ailments that might come up with this system. The oils in this blend contain ginger, caraway, peppermint, anise, coriander, tarragon, and fennel. And those have been selected specifically because of the chemical constituents within them that are soothing and helpful for the digestive system. So how do you use DigestZen? You might have gotten a starter kit that contained DigestZen. Maybe you have it on hand, or you're thinking about getting something for digestive support. This is a go-to blend, and it comes straight, and so you can use it 3 different ways. It's topically, aromatically, and internally. It tells you right on here that you can use it internally, and if you're new to oils, make sure to check out my crash course that I will link up above and below to just understand safety of essential oils, how to use them effectively in your home. But this one you can use 3 different ways, and we generally, for digestive issues, use it topically and internally. You can diffuse it, you can breathe it in. If it's nauseousness, then we will breathe it in. That's probably the biggest one that you would use it for if you're just breathing it. So some of the top primary uses of DigestZen are for bloating. So if you are feeling bloating, gas, colitis, candida, so you have an overgrowth of yeast, maybe you've been on antibiotics and you have that stomach upset, that you're taking prebiotics, probiotics, DigestZen is one that can be added to that. Also, if you have constipation, diarrhea, stomach cramps, if you have symptoms that are associated because of Crohn's, food poisoning, gastritis, heartburn, nausea, and sinusitis. So a lot of different things that you can use the DigestZen blend for. So it just depends on who you are, or the family members in your home, what's coming up at that time. So applying it topically would be just putting a couple drops on your fingers. You can rub it right on your stomach, or if it's up in your chest area, you can apply it straight. But you can also dilute it. So if you use fractionated coconut oil, that you can dilute that, it can spread a little bit farther. And also because it has that peppermint in there, it has the cold and warm feeling. If you're putting it on children or sensitive skin, they may not like that. So know that you can dilute it. It doesn't dilute the potency. It just makes it not feel so intense. Also, you can put it in some water and take it internally. So maybe just a couple of drops in some water and swish it back and just swallow it. I can put it a couple of drops and then take some water. Now it does have a black licorice taste. So if you don't like the taste of that, then you can put them in capsules. You can get empty veggie caps and just put a couple of drops right in the veggie cap, put the top of it on and take it like a pill. doTERRA also has DigestZen capsules, which are pre-made for you, so they're already in a capsule if you don't want to worry about making the capsule. Also, there is the digestive blend in a roller bottle, so you can make your own roller bottle if you want. You can save empty roller bottles, or you can go buy them on Amazon. I can get that up, and you just use fractionated coconut oil and fill it about, depending on who you are, 1/2 to 3/4 of the way up, and then put DigestZen in there. Go ahead and put it in. And then this is your roller bottle. So if you frequently have digestive issues, or someone in your family has frequent digestive issues for different things, then mixing up a roller bottle is great, or buying the pre-diluted is also great, especially if you're going to be using it topically. I know when my littles, I have 6 kids, but when the little 2 were infants, I always had DigestZen in my diaper bag because they would have digestive issues. You fed them, you changed them, they've slept, you can tell there's something going on in their tummy, that I could just rub that right on their belly. You can rub it on the bottom of their feet as well, or the bottom of your feet. I know it seems weird, but they absorb quickly and then they go into your bloodstream and then they help to balance the digestive system. It's just amazing. I also have recipes for you that include digestion and also the top 10 essential oils. So like I said, if you've got a starter kit, you probably have these on hand. Or if you're looking to get started, I recommend you starting with these top 10 essential oils. I will link up the kits below, so if you want to get those, or if you already have the oils on hand, you can grab that PDF that will have all the recipes that you can use with those different oils, including digestion. So if you're needing to up level some way for different things or for digestive support, know that that's available there. So make sure that you subscribe so that we can stay in touch. If you don't have oils, go ahead and grab some. I have them linked there, and then you can also grab that PDF.